So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I would like to share with you this new online job platform, work from home, and this is 100% legit. And guess what guys, they are hiring a lot of people right now. And especially now, for you to know guys na marami pong naghahanap ng mga work from home. Sa mga mommies dyan, sa mga estudyante na naghahanap ng extra mapagkakitaan online, this video is for you. So, I hope you stay tuned and watch the video until the end para wala po kayong ma-miss na information. And so, for today's video, I will be introducing to you their company background, the jobs available in this platform, the salary rate, and of course, the job process or the application process, and the advantages and disadvantages if you get hired in this company.
So, yung company na tinutukoy ko po ay si Crewbloom. So, what is Crewbloom? So, Crewbloom is a remote recruitment agency, and this platform recruits people, hones their skills, equip them with what is needed for a specific position, and links them to the companies to enhance their businesses. So, ito po yung mga jobs na available sa Crewbloom, guys. And there's a lot of choices, and each job offering has its qualifications and of course, technical requirements. And you may also view this in their website, and the link is in the description box below. So, read the jobs carefully, of course, before you apply. So, ito po yung mga jobs like Public Record Specialist, Compliance Officer, Transcriptionist, Business Development Officer, Client Success Manager. So, if you guys look or go to their website, you can see all these jobs in your dashboard. So, meron po din ditong appointment seeker. So, for example, gusto nating applyan si appointment seeker. So, you guys just click on it. Actually, guys, marami po silang jobs dyan. So, if you click the specific jobs, makikita nyo po yung iba't ibang mga requirements nila, yung system requirements. So, please read carefully and scroll before you apply. Make sure, guys, na meron po kayong skills sa jobs na ina-applyan nyo po. As what I have said, read carefully the instruction and the system requirements before you apply this job. At saka yung mga job responsibilities po. So make sure na all the jobs that you wanted to apply, meron po kayong skills or kung alam nyo po kung paano gawin yung trabaho na yun. Anyways po, meron naman din po silang free training once you applied. So, in here guys, if you click apply, you can see here the form. So, just fill in all the necessary details needed and make sure to wait for further instructions with regards to the online exam and interview. So, fill up nyo lang po dyan yung names niyo, yung emails, at saka numbers, or kung saan man kayong location nag-apply, or for example, nasa Philippines kayo, so just click Philippines and then your mobile number. So, simple lang naman po yan kasi mag-create pa po kayo ng account dito before you apply. So, apply in 15 to 20 minutes. Immediately after completing your profile, your application will be reviewed by hiring manager. So, make sure po yung email na nilagay ninyo is active siya, and make sure to check it sa inyong spam messages. Kasi minsan po yung message na bago sa spam po siya pumupunta. So, for the technical requirements naman, all Crewbloomers are required to have a laptop, at least i5 or equivalent. And of course, a backup device, at least i3 or equivalent. And a stable internet connection, at least 15 Mbps. So, dapat din po meron kayong backup internet connection, at least 10 Mbps. And of course, webcam. And of course, yung office nyo, yung tahimik, yung dedicated home office, basta wala siyang noise. And of course, you need to have an antivirus program installed in your laptop. So for the salary information, salaries in Curriculum depends on the job position that you will apply. If you're applying as a social media agent, the pay rate is around 4 to 5 US dollar, or that is equivalent to 200 or 250 pesos per hour. Since the work schedule is 9 hours a day, you can earn up to 36 US dollar to 45 US dollar per day. O diba, mas malaki-laki na yun. And that is equivalent in pesos, 1,800 to 2,250 pesos. So, depende pa yan sa exchange rate ng USD to Philippine money. So, their work schedule is 9 hours with 1 hour lunch break. So for the sales representative position naman po, the hourly rate is 8 US dollar, or that is 400 pesos per hour. So you can earn approximately of 45,000 pesos monthly or more, since it is a commission-based position. O diba, malaki siya. So the more you work, so the more money you can get. So for the cons in this platform, there are skills required for the majority of the position. So for the posts in this platform, it's very convenient working from home. Like me guys, I've been working from home since I give birth, since I have kids.
So, ayun lang naman guys. I hope may natutunan kayo sa video na to. But if you think this is still not a job for you, don't worry. I got your back. You can always visit my YouTube channel for more stable extra income online. So, meron pa ako mga jobs dyan, naka-playlist na po. You can always visit and watch it kung ano yung job na suits for you. So, all jobs na sinishare ko po dito sa aking YouTube channel, they are 100% legit. So feel free to scroll and watch, and if you have comment, please comment on the description box below, and I will make sure to answer all your questions, and I am willing to help you also if you would like to apply to those jobs na sinishare ko po sa inyo. So feel free po to message me on my Facebook page. So much for watching this video. If you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up and like my video. And of course, share nyo na rin sa inyong mga friends dyan or sa mga kakilala nyo na naghahanap ng work from home online. So, I hope to see you on my next video. Bye for now. God bless everyone.